Pick of the week for this week has been Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is an Indian IT services company headquartered in Mumbai, India. The company has specialty in providing services to different verticals like telecom, BFSI, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, etc. and across different geographies. TechM also has strong focus on digital business transformation. Tech Mahindra, also known as TechM, posted strong revenue growth of 5.1% on QoQ basis and 6.2% on YoY basis for Q3 FY20 at rupees 9,655 crores. The new deal wins remained strong at $1.2 billion in Q3 FY20 in spite of being seasonally weak quarter. The digital revenue, which accounts to be around 41% of the top line, showed a strong growth of approximately 10% QoQ. Operating margins have declined marginally by 30 bps QoQ in Q3 FY20 at 16.2% due to higher subcontracting cost and ramp up on large deals. Ramp up in large deal wins and strong execution will benefit Tech Mahindra to grow with higher momentum in forthcoming quarters. Key verticals posted robust growth for Tech Mahindra backed by strong deal wins. Growth was led by telecom and enterprise. Retail and BFSI have also posted strong growth, while manufacturing was soft and media and entertainment was weak. Across geographies, Tech Mahindra posted broad-based growth. Growth was led by Europe, Americas and rest of the world. TechM has announced that it will acquire Bangalore-based Cerium Systems Private Limited, which is into areas of semiconductor design and testing, embedded software development and testing, along with product engineering. The acquisition is expected to strengthen TechM's capability in respective areas and further improve the service offerings in the field of autonomous driving, IoT, electronic and medical devices, etc. In Q2 FY20, TechM had acquired Bond Group, which is US based, to enhance its capability into digital social marketing. Both this acquisition will help Tech Mahindra to achieve its organic and inorganic growth. We hence have a target price of Rs 910 on Tech Mahindra. Thank you.